When Ronnie and Zareen came across and they explained to me the concept of Swadesh, I felt that this was all being done under one umbrella. And I was looking for that one umbrella where we could cover up all these various deformities in our society. So the first thing I'd asked Ronnie to do was to take me to one of their villages, and Jay and me went across as he described. And it was an absolute revelation. The Swadesh Foundation and all its workers have done a tremendous amount of work in empowering the people in these villages. There are schools that have been opened which go beyond the 7th standard. There are government schools there, but they only teach you till the 7th. And they put their schools on from the 8th standard onwards. And what was really heartening to see was that the number of pupils in that class or in that entire school, the girls were bigger than the boys. There were more girls studying than the boys. We went to many villages where sanitation facilities had been put. The villagers said, we have to go out into the fields, and that particular area is infested with snakes, and they're scared to go out into the fields. How wonderful to find them having a toilet facility right within their compound. We went around to places where farming facilities had been provided. And I distinctly remember the story of 4 brothers who belonged to a village there. 2 of them had left the village, had come to Mumbai because they couldn't sustain themselves, and they felt that coming to the city they would be able to earn some money. But within a year, or maybe 2 years, within a year, those 2 brothers came back because the Swadesh Foundation had worked out a system of irrigation for the 2 brothers that were left behind in the village to do farming. And the farming was now progressing at such a rate that they were earning more money in the farm than they were in the city. And these 2 boys, they came back. There are many stories to talk about, and I just feel that, we're all gathered here today to lend support to this wonderful idea and this thought process. I know that many of you are involved in independent charities and you keep doing your bit. But I think that this is an all-enveloping society, a foundation where many aspects that need to be brought up are looked under by some very efficient people. I hope that this evening provides you enough incentive to donate generously and to support this very worthy cause. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.